There's quite a bit of confusion around directional tires and whether they can be rotated or not. Directional tires cannot be rotated with the same rotation patterns as standard non-directional radial tires, but they can be rotated if you understand the limitations. Let's go over some of the details of directional tires and how to rotate them properly. The tread pattern of a directional tire is designed to only spin in one direction, which is what causes the confusion around this type of tire. There are pros and cons to directional tires, but the primary benefit of a directional tread pattern is its ability to improve traction and shed water out and away from the contact patch. The grooves in the tread are designed to allow water to both move backward and out of the side of the tire tread as it rolls down the road. This design means that once a tire has been mounted to a wheel, it can only be used on one side of your car or truck. If we flip the tire around to try to mount it to the other side of the vehicle, the grooves in the tread will be oriented backward. Instead of providing a pathway for water to move back and to the sides of the contact patch, the water will be funneled toward the center of the contact patch, making for a much more dangerous situation in heavy rain conditions. Tires with directional tread patterns will have an arrow molded into the sidewall to indicate the direction the tire should spin so that the tread will grip as designed. The design of this indicator will vary between manufacturers and tire models, but all directional tires will have this indicator on its sidewall. When comparing a directional tire to the tread pattern of a non-directional tire, the tread of the non-directional tire depends on large grooves that run parallel with the direction of the tire. This allows water to escape to the front or rear of the contact patch, but it doesn't move water out and away from the tire as efficiently. It also reduces traction due to the need for larger grooves and voids in the tread pattern. To properly rotate directional tires, they must stay on the same side of the vehicle so that the tires will spin in the proper direction. This is the only pattern that directional tires can be safely rotated. This means you can only rotate them front to back. To learn more about tires and how to properly rotate tires on your car or truck, check out tiregrades.com.